Hi, welcome to my channel Automation Express Icon. Today we'll be talking about a PDF automation and all. So we have different sort of activities here. So let's try to just jump into this. So first activity I'll be trying to use is to get the page count. So I have an activity here, get PDF page count. I'll be selecting the file which is there on the desktop. So this is the file. Let me just open, see how many pages are actually there in this particular PDF. So it has around like 14 pages. So we should be getting outcome as like 14 here. Outcome is a page count. Control K, PDF, str, PDF, Control K, int, page count. Okay, so it's an integer type variable because it's a number. That count will be given as a number. I'll be using a message box to just get the count here. So int dot string. Let me run the file. So where will be getting 14 as an outcome here. Okay, so that was the first activity we are just saying. Second activity I'll be going with export PDF as an image. Like I'll convert a single page as an image here. So use export PDF page as an image. We cannot convert the whole document. We can convert by using a loop conditions and all. But here it was converting a single file page. So let me just open this. Open the file you want to actually convert an image. So here I want to convert this particular thing into an image. So instead of PDF extension, I'll try to go with an extension of PNG. And here I'll say underscore image is the file name I want to create on the desktop. And we need to provide what is the page number you want to convert. Say the second page I just want to convert. So just save file and run the file. It has automatically converted. So there is a second page that was converted as an image. I just open here in this particular file. What is the second page? So there is a second page. Okay. So that is what we can do with extract PDF page as an image by converting a particular page in a PDF into image. And now we'll try to see extract images from the PDF. So input is a particular PDF file. Whatever the images that was available inside your PDF file will be stored in a folder. So here on the desktop, I have file RPA, and where I want to save, I want to save on a desktop with the folder RPA here. Okay. So instead of PDF, I'll say create a folder called RPA images. And in that, I just want to save all the images that was available. So just save all, run the file. Okay, so it should be created with a folder. I just create a folder RPA underscore images. Okay, just copy as a path and provide the path there. So it should be automatically created by us. Here the bot is not able to create the folder. Okay, so let me run the file again. Make sure that in that particular folder, what are the file it was having, images it was having, it will be just stored. These were the images that was used in that particular PDF file. So we have around like 14 images. So that was utilized on this particular PDF file. So that can be stored in a folder here. Okay. So that is what we can do with the images that was there, copy to a particular folder here. Fine. So other activity will go with extract PDF page range. So extract PDF page range is something where you want to actually split your PDF file. Okay, it's something like you're trying to split a PDF file. So extract PDF page range. So what is the input? On the desktop, I have a file called RPA. I want to store with a file name called RPA underscore split. Okay, on what criteria you want to split here? So we need to provide that in the range. So let's say that I want to split first initial 5 pages. I can go with like 1,5. We have 14 pages, but if you provide in the range like 1_5, you'll get all the 5 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5th page also, you want to add another page like 10th page, you can go with a comma 10. So initial 5 pages and the 10th page will be added in your outcome. So for now, like I'll be just creating like 1,5. So you'll be having a file which is 14 pages split into 5 pages. Okay, so if you can see here, I have a file called RPA split. So this is my actual file, which is of 14 pages, if you can see here. But now I want to convert that or split that into 5 pages of data. If you can see, it was having only 5 pages of data, right? So that is one of the advantage we have here in terms of using extract PDF page range, which is nothing but a split PDF. So now we know like how to split, right? But now let's try to join the PDF files here. So I'll be using an activity called join PDF files, where you can combine multiple files into a single file. So what I'll use, join PDF files. Since you're combining one or more files, you need to provide the format in terms of a array. So these are the two files I want to combine. First file with 14 pages, second file with the 5 pages. So I just need to copy the path. So it should be in this path, comma. This is the second file name. So this is the file name I want to go with. So again, like copy as path. And this is a second file name I'll be going with. Right? And what is the file name you want to actually save as an outcome? I'll try to say it is underscore merge. You're actually merging or joining two or more files. So let me run this activity to make sure that you're getting a merge file. So here I have a merge file. You can see it like it was like 19 pages of data. So it's a combination of 14 pages of data plus 5 pages of data, which is 19 pages of data. So that is what we can do with a join PDF files. Manage PDF passwords is one thing where you can actually set a password or try to like change the password for the existing file. First, I'll try to set the password, then I'll try to change the password for that. I have a file here on the desktop. This is the file. Again, I want to store the output in the same file. Okay, but I want to set a new user password here. So new user password is 1234. Just click on OK. So whenever I want to open the file, it will ask for the password, and I need to provide 1234 as an input so that it will open the file. So I'll try to open the file RPA. It will ask for the password 1234, so that I can just open the file here. So this is one scenario. Now I want to convert this particular new user password into, I want to change this particularly. So what is the old user password? It is 1234, and I want to create a new user password, which is basically 5678. Okay, so we have the owner password also, owner password, which will help us in setting the permissions or restrictions, like whether you want to print the file, like whether you can comment the file. All these things can be set here using the owner password. It's for the edit permissions. So let me just save the file, run the file here again, where I was just changing the password from 1234 to 5678. So let's see like whether it has done or not. So now I'll provide 1234. It will not open because it's a password incorrect. Now I'll say like 5678 password. It will be opened. Okay, so that is what we can do with utilization of manage PDF password. And there is one important activity we have here, which is read PDF text. After reading the PDF text, it will be stored in a string variable. So which file you want to read? So on the desktop I have file, desktop I have file called RPA. So where you want to store, control K, str text. So there are some scenarios where it can't be able to read. So I'll show you one scenario, 5678. So here for us, let's say text data, but if there is an image, on the image you have a data, so it will be not able to actually read the data. So this is one scenario where we cannot actually read the data. This is an image, right? So it is not able to, it will be, the bot will be not able to read the data without usage of OCR activities. We'll have a separate session of like using these OCR activities uh, and working on the OCR activities. But now let's try to see a normal usage of read PDF text. So I'll try to provide the password here. Since it has a password, we need to provide the password. If it is not having a password, it will directly open it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll try to write the same text data using write text file. Where you want to write the data? In the str text. On which file? That's on desktop. You want to write it on, okay, let me just create a file here. Write it on this particular file. Let me just select the file on the desktop. This is the file I want to write the data. Let's click on S. Make sure you're trying to run the file. So it will read the data, write the data in a text file. So it has written the data. So if you can see, this is the data that was actually read by the, okay, fine. So these were some of the activities which were related to PDF automation, where we have seen how to get a page count, merge, split, manage a password, extract images into a folder, convert a single page in a PDF into a image and all. Also, we have seen how to read a PDF text. So we'll see in a different video how to use OCR activities. Thanks for watching my video. Happy automation.